Hey Nadine, how are you? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and I wanted to get this video over to you as promised. Just take a look at the top 3 things that Google weighs most heavily when ranking a website. Kind of show you exactly where you stand compared to your competition. So first thing I'll talk about is content, and second thing we talk about is backlinks, and then also citations. So content is king. So just looking at the content that you have here on the site, you actually have quite a bit of content compared to the average site. Just looking at this, I am saying you have about 700 or 800 words, which is really good, much better than average. Believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on the home page. And I like the fact that you've got this brand new article in here, perfect from walls and ceiling. That's a huge verifier of your abilities and where the company stands in the eyes of the public. Again, need to add about 800 words to the home page with the keywords that you're trying to rank for. So I did a search for Stucco Repair Denver. That actually has the highest search volume here of 170. Pay-per-click is $9 and competition is 0.43, such a keyword difficulty. But so 170 volume, that's what you're looking for. That's the highest one under Stucco category. So your direct competition here is going to be Vamp, Colorado, Denver Stucco and Stone, and then Yelp, of course, is directory, and then AGS Construction Inc. I'm sure you're familiar with those guys. And then you have the top 3 in the map pack right here. So if we just open this up, and you may have one of these, I didn't check, but you may have a GMB. This is called a Google by My Business account. You got your Google reviews on here. But the third thing that I talk about is a citation. So the citation is the name, address, phone number of your business or any business. And then Google looks at how many times is that citation with those 3 pieces of information, how many times is that other places besides your website on the World Wide Web. The more you have, the more power and credibility it gives to your website and your business, especially through the GMB here. So just a little heads up on that. That is something you can do yourself. We also do it for clients all the time. So the 3 competitors, just run through them real quick. Like I said, you're probably familiar with them. vampcolorado.us. Interesting. They have some content. They have more big pictures and that kind of thing, but they have about approximately the same amount of content you guys have, just a little bit less. And moving on here, Denver Stucco and Stone. So they hopscotch back and forth. Pretty traditional layout. Now they have more content than anybody so far. So they have quite a bit. They're pushing like probably 900 words here on this page. One of the other thing that counts as content I'd like to mention is if you go to any image on any site and you right click and just save image as, this title up here, see how it's labeled blank space? This title and these tags are another area where Google searches for keywords, locations, name of the business, that kind of thing. So there's an opportunity missed here. These are not labeled properly. So a little opportunity there too to outdo them on your content. So the last one here is AGS. First thing I notice about this site's not secure. That really takes away credibility. And in fact, I'm surprised that they're ranking where they are with that. You can see their homepage, they just got a block of information here. It's about 500 words. And if we check this here, Toll Brothers, one new. So those aren't tagged to be keyword optimized either. And then take a look at your website. And I actually like the kind of old school feel of your website. And something I didn't check here for you guys was, let me just check one of these images. Save link as. So see, this is labeled download one. So you could literally have advanced stucco design, commercial, Stucco, Denver, Colorado, all of those kind of keywords that you want to rank for on all the images across everything. And then you've got your services, different things here. So we could expand on the services, the home page, and add some content here. So then the other one is, second most important thing is backlinks. I have a little tool here called Ahrefs. And I went ahead and put the competition on your website in this tool. So just real quick, 37 UR, this is basically the popularity of the website. And then the DR is the strength of the website. Okay, so popularity and strength. So when I see a low DR and I see over 1,100 backlinks, that means they have a lot of backlinks, they have volume, but these are not real powerful backlinks for these guys. 344 keywords from 167 domains. So that's number one position. Number two here, Denver, Stucco, and Stone. Okay, so their DR's up. UR's not too bad. DR's a little bit higher than the last one, but only 133 backlinks for 292. So just running through these so you can kind of see. Then you got a 9 on popularity, 12 on the strength, 113 backlinks and 100 organic keywords. Okay, so those are the top 3. And then this is your website here for advanced stucco design. So you can see, you guys, it's pretty clear you have a real opportunity here to jump into the between 2 and 3 and garner that either one of those positions. So popularity 9, strength of the website 0.3. So you see this is red alert here. So we need more backlinks and relevant, powerful backlinks. So you remember, so if we look at your organic keywords, stucco repair, this is the best one. If I open this tool, so for stucco repair Denver, when it loads this information here, it'll show us where you guys are at exactly for that stucco repair Denver or any of these other ones. Okay, so this is the actual results. Oh wow, interesting. Okay, good. So here's number 1 is people also ask. Then you have 1, 2, 3. I just showed you those guys. Actually, it'll be this one. And so that's 1 through 6, but these are actually the top 3 because of Yelp and Home Advisor. And then you guys are in number 10 position. Okay, and so that shows you exactly where you're ranking for that primary keyword term. Okay, so and then just to circle back around again, the last one, citations. It's the third most powerful thing. So if you don't have a GMB, you can do it on your own, or we can help you with that. But very important to get a GMB in there and optimize it, and then you can rank here in the top 3 of the map pack, which is also a powerful place to be in addition to first page of Google. Hope this was helpful. Feel free to use all of these tips for yourself, for your website. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.